I'm starting to consider hammock camping as opposed to your standard tent, simply because it is more efficient in a lot of ways. For example, you don't have to worry about a ground sheet or carrying a tent. And tents are generally heavy because of the poles and the big ground sheet, which takes up a lot of space and weight. Whereas if you're just carrying a hammock tent, the hammock with a cover on it, it's about a third the weight in general. And the expense is actually cheaper as well. Now, if you don't have any trees to tie it to, you can carry a few sticks. So what you need is one long stick, the same length as your hammock when it's put up, and 6 shorter ones. Now the way you do it is you make 2 tripods, then you put a long stick in between them. But you want the stick to hang down. Now the reason, you can have it on top if you want, but if it's hanging down and you tie your hammock to the piece that's hanging down, that means the weight of the hammock is going straight down, not pulling inwards. If you just tie it on a tripod, it's going to fall over. So you want it on the pole, that way the weight is going down, not inwards. Also, if you get like a little bit of string or a lanyard or a cord and tie it around the base of the tripods, that will stop them from doing the splits. So that's basically what you need. You just need 7 sticks. They don't have to be that thick or chunky or heavy. Willow branches would do the job. It's how you construct it that makes it strong.